Introduction to Arduino, a gateway to electronics. Arduino is a platform that makes it easy to work with electronics. It's like a mini computer you can program to control things in the real world. Arduino is great for beginners because it's simple to use and there are many resources available to help you learn. Imagine you want to create a system that automatically waters your plants. Arduino can help you do that. With its ability to interact with sensors and actuators, you can build a circuit that monitors soil moisture and activates a water pump when needed. This is just one example of what you can do with Arduino. From simple projects to complex inventions, Arduino provides a versatile platform for bringing your electronic ideas to life. Understanding the building blocks, components of Arduino. At the heart of an Arduino board lies the microcontroller, the brain of the operation. This tiny chip processes instructions and controls the flow of electricity through the circuit. Think of it as the decision maker that tells other components what to do. Digital pins on the Arduino board act as switches, either on or off. These pins are used to communicate with components that send or receive digital signals, such as LEDs and buttons. By programming the Arduino, you can control the state of these pins, turning LEDs on or off or detecting button presses. Analog pins, on the other hand, handle a range of values, not just on or off. They are useful for reading data from sensors that provide varying signals, such as temperature or light sensors. The Arduino can then use this data to make decisions or control other components accordingly. Beyond the basics, features, and capabilities, Arduino boards come equipped with USB connectivity, making it easy to connect them to your computer for programming and uploading code. This USB connection also serves as a power source for the Arduino, eliminating the need for an external power supply in many cases. Speaking of power, Arduino boards offer flexibility in how they receive power. While USB is convenient for development, you can also power your projects using batteries or adapters, allowing for standalone operation. This versatility makes Arduino suitable for a wide range of applications, from stationary projects to mobile robots. One of the most significant advantages of Arduino is its extensive collection of libraries. Libraries are pre-written pieces of code that simplify complex tasks, such as controlling motors or communicating with sensors. By incorporating these libraries into your projects, you can save time and focus on the unique aspects of your creation. Section 4. The Power of Community. Arduino's Popularity and Support. Arduino's popularity stems not only from its user-friendly design, but also from its vibrant and supportive community. Millions of enthusiasts, educators, and professionals worldwide have embraced Arduino, sharing their knowledge, projects, and code openly. This vast community provides a wealth of resources for beginners. Online forums and tutorials offer guidance and troubleshooting tips, while countless project examples spark inspiration and provide a starting point for your own creations. The collaborative spirit of the Arduino community ensures that you're never alone in your learning journey. Section 5. Bringing ideas to life. Arduino project examples. The possibilities with Arduino are truly endless, but let's explore a few simple project examples to ignite your imagination. You could create a digital thermometer that displays the current temperature on an LCD screen. By connecting a temperature sensor to the Arduino and writing a few lines of code, you can have a personalized weather station. Another beginner-friendly project is a motion-activated LED light. Using a motion sensor and an LED, you can program the Arduino to turn on the light when it detects movement, providing illumination only when needed. These are just basic examples, but they demonstrate the power and accessibility of Arduino. As you gain experience, you can tackle more complex projects, such as building robots, home automation systems, or even wearable technology. Section 6. Conclusion. Embark on your Arduino journey. Arduino offers an incredible opportunity to explore the world of electronics and programming, regardless of your prior experience. Its user-friendly nature, extensive resources, and supportive community make it an ideal platform for beginners. Embrace the joy of tinkering, experimenting, and bringing your electronic ideas to life with Arduino. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination.